Navigating the investment world can be overwhelming for beginners, especially with evolving markets and new asset classes emerging in 2025. However, building wealth no longer requires advanced financial knowledge or complex strategies. Thanks to technology and accessible platforms, first-time investors can now tap into a wide range of beginner-friendly options. This video explores 10 such investments that combine simplicity, relatively low risk, and the potential for solid returns, backed by data and current market trends. Whether your goal is to beat inflation, save for retirement, or build passive income, these investments offer a smart starting point in 2025. 1. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. While traditional savings accounts offer meager returns, high-yield savings accounts and money market funds provide safe, FDIC-insured returns that often exceed 4% in 2025, according to Bankrate. These options are ideal for beginners who prioritize liquidity and security over high returns. With interest rates expected to remain stable or gradually decline, these tools are perfect for building an emergency fund or parking cash while learning about other investments. 2. Broad-based index funds, S&P 500, total market ETFs. Index funds continue to top the list of beginner-friendly investments. According to Morningstar, the average annual return of S&P 500 index funds over the past decade has hovered around 10%. These funds are passive, low-cost, and diversified, meaning they spread your risk across hundreds of companies. Vanguard's VU and Fidelity's FXAIX are two of the most trusted names. For a long-term, hands-off approach to investing, index funds remain unbeatable. 3. Target date retirement funds. Target date funds automatically adjust the asset mix based on your expected retirement year, making them ideal for hands-off investors. Data from Fidelity shows that target date funds have become the default option in over 70% of U.S. retirement plans. These funds reduce risk as you age and rebalance without manual intervention. For young professionals starting out in 2025, funds like Vanguard Target Retirement 2065, VLXVX, are excellent one-stop shop solutions. 4. Fractional shares of blue-chip stocks. Investing in companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Google is now easier than ever thanks to fractional share investing. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Schwab allow beginners to invest as little as $5 in top-performing stocks. According to Statista, tech blue chips have consistently outperformed the broader market, with Apple alone delivering a 30% return in 2024. Fractional shares let you get in the game without needing hundreds of dollars. 5. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without buying property. Publicly traded REITs like Realty Income, or Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, pay regular dividends and have historically provided annual returns of 8% to 12%. In 2025, demand for commercial and industrial REITs continues to rise due to the e-commerce and data center boom. They're ideal for beginners seeking steady passive income and diversification beyond stocks. 6. Robo-advisors, automated investment platforms. Robo-advisors like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Sophie use algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals. For beginners, these platforms are user-friendly, low-fee, and backed by Nobel Prize-winning portfolio theory. According to Statista, the global robo-advisor market is expected to exceed $3 trillion in assets under management by the end of 2025. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it solution, robo-advisors are hard to beat. 7. U.S. Treasury securities and I-bonds. Government-backed bonds like Series 1 savings bonds and Treasury bills are among the safest investments. I-bonds, which adjust for inflation, offered yields over 6% in 2023-2024 and remain attractive in 2025 as a hedge against inflation. According to the U.S. Treasury, over $38 billion in I-bonds were purchased in 2023 alone. These are perfect for conservative investors or those looking for guaranteed growth with tax advantages. 8. Dividend growth stocks. Stocks that consistently increase dividends, like Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, or Johnson & Johnson, offer both capital appreciation and income. According to the Dividend Aristocrats Index, these companies have outperformed the S&P 500 with less volatility over the past 10 years. Beginners benefit from stability, reinvested dividends, and compounding returns. In 2025, sectors like healthcare and utilities continue to offer the best dividend growth prospects. 9. Cryptocurrency index funds and stablecoin savings. For those curious about crypto but wary of risk, cryptocurrency index funds, like Bitwise 10 or Grayscale's diversified funds, offer exposure to a curated basket of digital assets. Stablecoin savings platforms like Coinbase or Gemini earn yields of 4 to 6% through DeFi protocols while minimizing price volatility. According to CoinMarketCap, stablecoin market caps have surged past $150 billion, showing investor trust in these crypto-adjacent products as safer entry points. 10. Micro-investing apps and roundup platforms. Apps like Acorns and Stash make investing simple by rounding up your daily purchases and investing the spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.70, the remaining 30 cents is invested automatically. These platforms are ideal for beginners with limited capital or inconsistent income. Acorns reports that its average user saves and invests over $30 a month without changing spending habits, demonstrating the power of automation and habit building. 2025 is an exciting year for beginner investors, with more accessible, transparent, and diversified investment tools than ever before. Whether you choose a safe path with high-yield savings accounts and treasury bonds or venture into fractional shares, REITs, and crypto index funds, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Backed by data and guided by automation, today's investment landscape empowers newcomers to build wealth without needing to become financial experts. By choosing the right beginner-friendly options that align with your risk tolerance and goals, you'll be well on your way to long-term financial success.